Parkinson's is a neurodegenerative disease in which neurons in the substantia nigra of the midbrain have decayed, and it results in motor difficulties such as slowness of movement known as bradykinesia, akinesia, and tremor. I'm Nathan Darnell. I'm a fourth-year PhD student of mechanical engineering at Washington State University. I left a career as a machinery design engineer to return to grad school, where I am developing a system to track dyskinesia symptoms in the home setting. My interest in Parkinson's dates back to when I was a teenager, and I was helping my grandfather, who was diagnosed with Parkinson's. To test my idea, I designed a study in which 19 participants wore 5 accelerometers on their wrists, ankles, and hip in a 1.5-hour study. During the study, the sensors recorded any periods of dyskinesia the persons had. We start with raw accelerometer signals. We process the signals by doing a Fourier analysis combined with filtering. And then from that, we calculate features in the time and frequency domains. These features are compiled into a feature vector and run through WECA's J48 decision tree classifier, from which we are able to classify the instances of dyskinesia with 95.9% accuracy.
And a map of the downstairs of the
Clinicians can track dyskinesia fluctuations of their patients with this system while minimizing dyskinesia.
We found out through Northwest Neurological, John's neurologist in Spokane. They had a pamphlet up there about the study that Nathan Darnell's doing. And so we called. We've been really wanting to be involved in some kind of research study. I've appreciated that WSU is doing this kind of a study, you know, because it's important. I don't think there's a lot of people out there that realize how many people actually have Parkinson's.
You tried to contact a friend?
Oftentimes we think of it as being a disease that affects older people, but a lot of the people in my study have been in their 50s and still have children living at home. And I've even had a few people who are in their 40s with Parkinson's. And it's a very debilitating disease. There's a lot of depression that goes along with Parkinson's because of the neuro changes in the brain. And so, you know, anything that I could do to help out this population, I would just be very thrilled about.